Hello students, today we discuss Kaplan turbine problem. In a previous video already discussed the Kaplan turbine, the velocity diagram. Now we discuss some related problem. So here is a given question is there, how to solve. So first of all, your question is given a Kaplan turbine operating under a net height of 20 meter, develop 20,000 kilowatt with an overall efficiency of 66%. The speed ratio is 2.0 and to also write speed ratio is 2 and flow ratio is 0.6. The hub diameter of the wheel is 0.35 times the outer diameter of the wheel. Find the diameter and speed of the turbine. This is a given question. Now you solve this. So if you read something you do not recognize or do not understand the question, then you have to read once again. So from that you can first of all write down the given data. What are the given here? Given data. What is the data are given here? So first of all, a Kaplan turbine operating under a net height of 20 meters. So height over here given here 20 meters here. Here head is given 20 meter from this given question. Develop 20,000 kilowatt with an overall efficiency of 66%. Develop 20,000 kilowatt means the power is developed there. So here is a power is given 20,000 kilowatt with an overall efficiency of 66%. So overall efficiency is given 66%. Also you can write by 100 that is 0.66. The speed ratio is 2. Speed ratio means related to speed. You can write speed ratio. The formula is here u by root 2 gh is equal to given what 2. And flow ratio is 0.6. So flow ratio is given, that is dependent on df by root 2 gh, that is here 0.6. The hub diameter, another thing is given, the hub diameter of the wheel is 0.35 times the outer diameter. Means your dp is 0.35 times then du, means the outer diameter of the Kaplan turbine. So hub diameter is 0.35, then your outer diameter of the Kaplan turbine. This is the data set given. Then find the diameter. What to find? So find is the diameter, that is your du, and speed of the turbine. You have to find n. So these are the data you have to find from this problem. So related to this, so first of all you find the diameter, then after you find the speed of the turbine, means RPM. So how to find DO? So related to DO you have to find first of all discharge, because discharge is a formula is Q is equal to area into velocity of flow. So area is equal to what? Pi by 4 do square minus dp square into p4 df. So from this discharge you can find the DOB. So you have to find discharge, then there is a given what? Overall efficiency here. So overall efficiency formula is your what? So overall efficiency is equal to short power by water power. Your overall efficiency given short power by water power. So short power is already given, that is P, that is your 20,000 kilowatt, this is a kilowatt, and your water power is your rho GQH by 1000, this is kilowatt, so you can also divide by 1000, this is also kilowatt. So using this relation you can find 20,000 into 1000 by rho is your density of water, that is your 1000, G is your 9.81, Q is unknown, and H is your given from data, that is your 20 meter. So this is your 20. So overall efficiency is given, that is your 0.66. Now cross multiply with each other, we can write Q is equal to, or discharge is equal to 20,000 into 1000 by 1000 into 9.81. Already Q is replaced there, so you can 0.66 into 20. So 1000 cancels. Here is 0 is there, here 0 is there, 2 cancel. So 1000 by 9.81 into 0.6 is the value is here 154.44 meter cube per second. From that 154.44 meter cube per second. So you now find discharge. So here is a discharge formula is area into velocity of flow. But you don't know the value of velocity of flow. Also you don't know the diameter of the and diameter of. So using this BF, the relation is given what? Flow ratio here there. So flow ratio is a BF by root 2J is your 0.6. Now using this relation you can find the BF value. Now putting the value of BF by root 2GH is equal to 0.6, given there 0.6. So using this BF is equal to 0.6 into root 2GH. Also you can write 0.6 into 2 into G or 9.81 and H is your given, head is your given, that is your 20 meter. Now the value is your BF 11.88 meter per second. The unit is your meter per second, velocity is there, to write the unit meter per second. Now you find the BF value. Now you can use the discharge here. The discharge formula you can put there. Q is equal to area into BF, or also you can write area is equal to Q by BF. So here is your Q you are find 154.44. So area is equal to 154.44 by BF is your find 11.88. And area is your defined is what? Area is equal to pi by 4 outer diameter square minus half diameter square. So you can write pi by 4, that is your outer diameter square minus half diameter square is equal to 154.44 by 11.88. So here is another relation is given in the data, that is your dP is equal to 0.35 du. Means you put the value of dP here. So do square minus 0.35 do square, that is pi by 4. So also you can multiply the pi by that side. You can write 154.44 into 4 by 11.88 into pi. So do square minus 0.35 do square. So 0.35 do square means what? 35 by 0.35 do square. You have to find the relation. Here is your do square minus. So there is your relation is a 0.1225 do square. So minus from this you can find 1 minus 0.11. So easily you can convert into 1 then you can write 0.11 do square 1.225. Then you can write 1 2. So this is a value is a common do square minus 0.12 do square. From this you can write down 1 minus 0.12, that is your 0.88 do square is equal to 154.44 into 4 by 11.88 into pi. This is the value. Now you can find the do value from here. So you can write do is equal to root over of 0.88 there. You can take the numerator, first multiplying that 154.44 into 4 by 11.88 into pi into 0.88. So 155.44 into 4 by 11.88 into pi into 0.88. Now the value is here. Calculating value from, that is your 4.34 meter. So DO is equal to 4.34 meter. Now you after that find that you can write, you find the value, that is the DO is here 4.34 meter. Now you find the n value or speed of the value. So speed, how to find speed? The speed is depend on your speed ratio, that is your SR. You can first of all find U value, then you can find the n value. Now you find the relation speed ratio, that is your U by root 2 GH is equal to 2, given that in a given data U by root 2 G is here, 2 is given there, and using this ratio you can find the speed. So U is equal to 2 into root 2 g for 9.81, h is given 20 meter head in a given data. Now using this relation we can find the calculation part, that is your 39.61 meter per second. Now u is your 39.61 meter per second. So what is the formula of u? U is equal to pi d n by 60. So you are considering the outer diameter. So pi d 0 n by 60, or you can in a small right, you can also write there in a small also 60. So using this relation you can find the n or revolution. Now put the n one side and cross multiply with each other. dg. Now u is your find, that is your value is 39.61 and 60 pi d over outer diameter is 4.34. Now n is your
177.1.
77.1 21 rpm. So we can also write 177 rpm. So the value is your n is your 177 rpm. Now from we can find the value 177 rpm. Now using this relations or given data, you simply solve the problem. So if you going through the problem, first of all know what is the problem and what are the given data and how to find. You have to mention the relation properly, then you can find accurately. Clear? So always mention the unit side. Okay, thank you for watching.